Hi guys, welcome back to I Want to Eat. Today we're going to be making a traditional Japanese style chicken teriyaki. The measurements for this sauce are super easy, just equal parts of 4 ingredients, the first of which being sugar. I like to use brown sugar, but you can definitely use white if you prefer. Next up is mirin. Mirin is a sweet rice wine used for cooking. You should be able to find it at any grocery store with a decent Asian section or online. Then we'll use cooking sake. If you can't find cooking sake, you can use sherry or even water. Lastly, we'll measure out a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and unlike the other ingredients, we'll want to keep this aside and add it separately later. This will help with the consistency of the sauce and prevent burning. Now we'll mix the sugar, mirin, and sake together until the sugar is dissolved. This is optional, but I like to add a bit of honey for shininess. The teri in teriyaki actually means shiny, so ultimately we'd like to end up with a very thick and glossy sauce. Now add a bit of oil to the pan. I'm using sesame oil here, and heat the pan until just barely smoking. Once the pan is smoking, add our chicken breast, then cover and leave it alone to form a nice golden crust. Once one side is golden brown, flip the chicken over and cook until golden brown on the other side. Once both sides have a good color to them, add our mixed sugar, sake, and mirin, and cook until the sauce reduces to a syrupy consistency. You'll want to see the bubbles slow down and last for a while. Move the chicken around the pan to check the consistency every now and again. Once the sauce is thickened, we'll turn our heat down a bit and add the soy sauce we set aside earlier. Adding the soy sauce now will stop too much salt from getting into the chicken. It will also stop the soy sauce from burning and better let us control the consistency of the sauce. Like before, we're going to keep cooking the sauce until it's reduced again. We want the sauce to be shiny, glossy, and have a consistency almost like honey. While our sauce is reducing, let's peel and slice some cucumber. I like to peel only some of the skin, that leaves some crunch to it, but feel free to take the entire peel or none of it. Up to you. Now the sauce has thickened up and our chicken is cooked through, so let's slice our chicken now into strips. Watch out for hungry mouths trying to sneak a piece off the table. We'll put our chicken and cucumber on a bed of white rice, and then we'll add some sauce to it. This consistency is exactly what we're looking for, very thick and honey-like, but has a really nice shine to it. We'll add a few spoonfuls on top of our chicken. Make sure to spread it. Add some sesame seeds for garnish. And there we go, chicken teriyaki made completely from scratch. This homemade sauce is definitely much better than any store-bought sauce I've ever had, and it's so simple that it's definitely worth trying at home. Thank you all so much for watching this episode of I Want to Eat. If you found yourself enjoying this video, please consider liking and subscribing. We're a new YouTube channel and we upload weekly. Thank you.